how to turn off screen time management on TikTok. Hi guys, in this video I will tell you how you guys can turn off screen time management in just a few minutes. So firstly, open up TikTok on your phone, and then once you have TikTok opened up, click on the bottom right on your profile, and then after that click on the top right on these three lines, and then now from over here click on settings and privacy. That's gonna take you guys over here. Now from over here, scroll down and click on report a problem. And then after that, simply scroll down, click on submit a report. And then from over here, simply paste this particular text that I am about to paste over here. Simply paste in, I had turned on the screen time management for security reasons, but now I forgot the password. Can you please help me to remove the screen time management password? After that, simply click on submit and your report is going to be sent. Now TikTok is going to reach out to you on your account within a few hours, and they're basically going to turn off your screen time management. So guys, that is how you can turn off the screen time management on TikTok. Thank you so much for watching. Take care. Till next time. Goodbye.